In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an internship on LinkedIn. First, we are going to begin by navigating to the LinkedIn website. Open your preferred browser and type in LinkedIn.com. Once there, you will be greeted by the home page with several options to sign in. You can choose to sign in using your Google or Apple account, or by entering your email address and password directly. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your login. In this case, expect a verification code to be sent to your phone, so make sure your phone is within reach to complete this process seamlessly. After successfully signing in, you should find yourself on your profile page, poised to edit your details. At the top right corner of the screen, you will spot your profile picture. Clicking on your profile picture will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile. Now, you are on your profile page where you can manage all aspects of your professional journey. Scroll down until you locate the Experience section, which is the ideal spot to showcase your new internship. In the upper right corner of this section, look for a small plus icon. By clicking on this icon, you are granted the ability to add a new position. A prompt to add position will appear. Go ahead and click on it to continue. This action opens a fresh form, ready to capture all necessary details of your internship role. Begin by filling in these fields: the company name, your specific role or title during the internship, the location, and a brief description outlining your responsibilities and achievements. When you reach the part labeled Employment Type, it is imperative to select Internship from the drop-down menu. This is a key detail, as it distinctly categorizes your experience under the internship banner, enhancing the clarity and accuracy of your professional narrative on LinkedIn. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all your entries. Accuracy is essential because it reflects on you as a professional and provides potential connections with a reliable snapshot of your capabilities and past experiences. Once you are satisfied with the information you have provided, proceed by scrolling down and clicking the Save button. By doing so, your LinkedIn profile is updated to proudly display your internship, making it visible to everyone who visits your page. Adding this detail can significantly bolster your profile's appeal to future employers or professional connections, allowing them to see a comprehensive view of your work history and experiences. And just like that, your LinkedIn profile now shines a light on your new internship experience, perfectly synchronized with both your existing and prospective professional endeavors.